Hey guys, good morning. So, ngayon is a holiday. It's Thursday. Magsa-set up ako ng desk ko. Very simple lang naman kasi itong headset ko is walang headset stand. Itong isa, wala. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa work. Ito naman yung ginagamit ko for gaming and also dati sa streaming. So, siya yung walang stand ngayon. Bumili tayo ng Redragon Scepter. I bought this for only 795 pesos and I bought it from GameOne Megamall. Shoutout sa inyo guys, very good service. And also, palagi ako sa kanila bumibili kasi madali lang makita yung mga gusto mo. Meron sila sa online and also maganda yung branch nila sa Megamall. Okay? So, ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Let's go ahead and unbox this headset stand. Wala na po tayong edit guys Ayan. Alright, 1 second. Okay, so yan na. Unboxan natin. Kunin lang natin yung pangtanggal natin ng seal. Ayan. And then the other side. Alright, open natin. By the way, yan yung sa side ng box niya. Pinapakita ko ano pwede nyo gawin. Meron siyang dalawang USB ports. Tapos, meron siyang RGB. Yan. So, pwede nyo i-connect yung mouse nyo dito and keyboard para hindi na siya didiretso sa PC nyo. Okay? So, ayan yung mga features niya. Yun. Okay. So much for that. Una-una natin makikita from the box is yung cable niya. Type-C yan. So, definitely medyo mabilis yung pagpasok ng electricity sa device natin. That is for, of course, consistency and efficiency. Okay, so after the cable, makikita na rin natin kaagad si headset stand. And, ayun, no more. Nothing else inside. So, this is the white version. I'm not sure if there's black. Alright, pero white is good because I have a white case. I also have white keyboard and white mouse. But the rest are black. Okay. So, yung stand itself ay wrapped with a plastic para siguro hindi magasgas. Ayan yung USB ports niya. Meron tayong logo dito ng Redragon. Dalawa pang USB ports. So, I'm sorry, meron siyang 4. Okay, one on this side, 2 on the top, and 1 on the other side. And dito ilalagay yung USB connector going to your PC, yung power niya. And dito sa side na to, meron siyang RGB switch. Okay? So, i-try na natin. I-connect ko na siya ha. Okay? Give me 1 moment. So yun na guys, napakaganda. So, nakakonect na siya sa power. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman yung glow ng ilaw. Very, very brilliant, diba? Sobrang ganda and I liked it. Okay, so tingnan natin ng malapitan. So yan siya. Alright. Napakaganda. So, pag gagamitin mo yan, syempre, dyan yung front niya. Okay. And yung weight niya, tamang-tama lang. And one of the coolest thing under this is meron siyang rubber feet. So hindi siya kagaya ng ibang mga headset stand na nabibili nyo sa Lazada, ganyan, na kailangan nyo lagyan ng tape or double-sided tape para ma-fix siya sa table. Ito, kumakaapit siya talaga. Alright? Okay, now let's go ahead and try turning off the lights. And let's see. There you go. Very brilliant. So, I think kailangan ko rin ng RGB na mouse mat. Alright. And I think I also need another one for this para medyo, alam mo na. Kaso nga lang pagka office kasi hindi natin kailangan na masyadong may ilaw eh. So, I think that will do for now. Ayan o. Diba? Panalo. Mamaya ko na ayusin yung cables. Ayan, ayusin ko yun mamaya kasi naglilinis din naman ako dahil Holy Week. Walang pasok. Yan yung PC natin. So, quick specs. We got 5600X, Ryzen 5 from AMD. And video card, we have RTX 3070 Ti. And that's manufactured by Palit. Alright? Palit Gaming Pro is the key. And we also have 16 gigs of RAM. And that is T-Force. That's a team group, T-Force. I forgot the version. T-Force Alpha. Sorry. Pero that's 3600 megahertz. Okay. And our case is Dark Flash DLX21. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. And it's running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fans in total. Okay. So that's all for now. Mag-upload ako ng bagong video na nagre-review dito kung okay naman yung mga yung file transfer using the ports itself. Okay? So, maraming salamat guys and thank you so much for watching. Pa-subscribe na lang. Peace out.